Hello everyone, how are you? So, do you all remember that we have done the ABB patterning, and today we are going to learn about it once again. So, today we are going to recap the AB and ABB patterning. So, are you all ready? Very good. So, show me a thumbs up. Very good. So, now let's begin. Today, review the A, B patterning. What are we going to review? A, B patterning. Alright. So, over here, I have a red color bead, and then again I have a yellow color bead. Again I have a red color bead, and again I have a yellow color bead. So now what will come after yellow? What will come after yellow color bead? Yes, fantastic. It will be a red color bead. Very good. So this is A B patterning. So this is A B patterning. So we have a red color bead, then a yellow color bead, then again a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead, then red color bead. Now what will come after the red color bead? Yes, so we have a yellow color bead. So we have made a pattern. We have made a AB patterning. So over here we have a red color bead, then we have a yellow color bead, then again a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead, then a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead. So this is known as a AB patterning. Okay, so this is AB patterning. Very good. So now let us all review the ABB patterning. Okay, so now let us all review the ABB patterning. Okay, now what are we going to review? We are going to review the B. Okay, so now I have a red color bead over here. Now then a yellow color bead, then again a yellow color bead, then I have a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead, then again a yellow color bead. So what have we made? We have made a B patterning. So now what will come after the yellow color bead? What will come after the yellow color bead? Very good, all of you. A red color bead will come. Very good. Now what will come after the red color bead? Yes, there will be a yellow color bead. Excellent, superb. So again we'll place a yellow color bead. Very well done. Very good. So this is the B patterning. So what is this? This is the B patterning. So we have placed a red color bead here, then a yellow color bead, then another yellow color bead, then again we have placed a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead, then another yellow color, then we have placed again a red color, and then again a yellow color and other yellow color. So we have formed a pattern. That is A, B, B, A, B, B. What have we formed? A, B, B, A, B, B. A, B, B. So this is known as ABB patterning. What is this known as? ABB patterning. Very good, all of you. So now, who will tell me that what will come after the red, yellow and yellow bead? Yes, fabulous. So again, a red color bead will come over here. Very good, all of you. Excellent. Superb. You're doing a superb job. Good job, all of you. Good job. So now, you know what is an AB and a ABB patterning? Very good, all of you. So now you all know that what is an A, B, B, A, B, B patterning. So again we have a red color bead, then again a yellow color bead, another yellow color, then again a red color, again a yellow color, then again a yellow color, then again a red color, then a yellow color bead, then another yellow color bead, then we have a red color bead, and then what will come after this? Yes, it will be a yellow color. Very good, all of you. Again, it will be a yellow color bead. Very good. Excellent. So this is known as A, B, B, A, B, B patterning. What is this known as? A, B, B, A, B, B patterning. Excellent, all of you. Superb. You did a great job. So, today we again reviewed the AB and the ABB patterning. Thank you.